Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert multiple PNG images to JPG in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first open your Photoshop document. Now I can see convert multiple PNG images to JPG. Now I'm going to the file one option, then click. Now click from open option. Now we select from PNG picture. Now I select from on PNG picture. Now click open. Now I can see, then open PNG picture. This PNG picture, firstly multiple convert image. Now firstly action. Now select from, now click from new action. Now click record. Now you can see, then picture PNG. Now going to the file one option, then click. Now select from save as. Now select from format option. Now select from JPG. Now select from folder in the save. Now select from open option. Now click save. Now click OK. Now you can see, now we going to the again click from close. Then action in the save. Now select from save option. Now we show multiple PNG image convert the JPG. Now going to the file one option, then click. Now click from automate option. Now select. Now select from base option. Now I say firstly select from action on and source in the folder. Now select from folder and source from folder. Now click from convert folder. Now select from again destination of, and now select folder. Now click from source. Now convert. Now click JPG. Now click OK. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see. Now check the file. That it's. Now you can see automatic PNG multiple PNG image to JPG in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.